Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jennifer and this is Business and Beyond. I love all things business and money, so here we'll be talking about different tips and tricks that will ultimately help you do business better. So if that is something that interests you, make sure you like and subscribe and go ahead on and share with a friend. So today we'll be talking about how offering too many sales and discounts in your business may be doing more damage than good. So there's always a reason to do a sale or offer a promotion for some reason or another. But if you are running your entire business off of offering sales and discounts, then you may be doing more damaging than good. So let's go on and get right into it. One way that you may be doing more damage than good is that you are actually setting the expectation to buy from you at a discount. So you're training your clientele to only buy from you at a discount. So if you are having sales and offering discounts in your business all the time, and you're seeing that people only buy from you when you have sales and when you offer discounts, you are unintentionally setting a behavior pattern and setting an expectation from them to only buy you at a discount. And the thing when this happens is that you may be doing it unintentionally and you don't even realize that you're doing it, but you're setting up the expectation that you're going to always offer a sale, you're going to always offer a discount. What you don't want to do is get people in a pattern of only buying from you at a discount, because they're not going to ever want to buy from you at full price. So think about, these like big companies like Fashion Nova or Old Navy, Bath and Body Works. As soon as you go to their store or their site, they're immediately hitting you with some sort of sale. There's a discount code before you even show interest in wanting to buy something. They're like hitting you in the face with a discount code. It comes to a point with these bigger companies is that they offer sales and discounts so much, you get to a place where you don't even want to buy from them at full price, right? It's like, if you're not offering me some sort of sale or discount, then I don't even want to buy anything at that point, is because that's what I've gotten used to, right? You've set the expectation and your people have become accustomed to getting what they want at a discount. And as a small business owner, that's something that you don't want to do. You want people to purchase from you regardless of having a sale or a discount. The sale is just maybe heightened something or bring more awareness to something, but you don't want your entire business to be run from a sale. The second way that sales may do more damage than good is that it ultimately cuts into your profit. So as a small business owner, the goal is to ultimately make money, right? And if you're offering too many sales and too many discounts, then your profit margin will start to reduce, and then you're not making the amount of money that you want to make. Or it may be taking you much longer to make the amount of money that you want to make because your profits are lower than they should be. What you don't want to do is start to offer sales and discounts just to get people to buy from you, and then you end up in a financial loss. You don't want to discount yourself right out of business. So back to my example about these bigger companies like Old Navy and Fashion Nova. They do business at such a large volume that offering discounts to every person doesn't really affect their bottom line that much. They produce and they buy at such a high quantity that they're probably buying things at such low prices, offering it to their consumer at a low price. It's not affecting them at all. But as a small business, with us, we don't get everything at, that super discounted price as a bigger company, because you're probably not buying in quantities like the bigger companies are. Also with us, every single purchase counts, every single dollar counts. We don't have the bandwidth to offer things at such a low price like these bigger companies. So for us, we have to be very careful when it comes to discounting and offering sales, because you don't want to end up at a loss after someone buys from you. You want to ultimately, after every single purchase, you want to be in a place of profitability. So the third way that offering sales and discounts can possibly do more damage than good is from a service-based professional standpoint, is that it may ultimately end up reducing your morale to work with certain clients. A couple of years ago, I was doing credit repair, and I would have sales kind of every now and then for different reasons. And I kind of got to a place where if someone purchased from me at a discounted price, I kind of wasn't as excited to work with that new client because they didn't pay, the full price. And ultimately, really, if you're paid in full, your full price, you feel like you are, you're more valued. The person is more excited to work with you. And as a professional, you're more excited to work with that person if they pay in full. Like, and it kind of got to a point where it's like, it's a discounted price for you equals discounted presence from me. Like, I can't even really show up as my full and best self and give you the best experience possible if you signed up for something at a discounted price. So if you offer too many discounts, it can possibly reduce your morale and you're no longer even excited about working with new clients because you feel like you haven't really been paid your full value. So that's another thing from a service side of, you have to be careful when offering certain sales and discounts because you ultimately want to show up as your best self. And getting paid in full will help you show up as your best self. It definitely helps me show up as my best self. So ultimately, there are some things that you have to watch out for when offering sales and discounts, but there is a time and a place for every business to offer a sale or a discount. So if you're doing like a pre-sale, if you're launching a new offer, if you have like a new product line, you can, do a pre-sale or something like that. If you are having a flash sale on something, there's always room for a flash sale. But the thing about flash sales is generally the flash sales are at random. The people don't know when the sale is about to happen. So if you have a flash sale every single Friday, okay, well, at that point, it's no longer a flash sale. People are going to expect the sale to come every single Friday. So you have to be careful when it comes to like flash sales. Also, holidays. There's always a reason to attach a sale to a holiday. There's pretty much a holiday, and different celebratory days, each month throughout the year. And of course, Black Friday is like the big ticket sale day for pretty much all companies. There's always a reason or a way to give a discount for Black Friday. So there's always different ways you can incorporate sales and discounts into your business without running your entire business off of offering sales and discounts and training people to expect sales and discounts from you. So I hope that this was helpful for you. If you have any questions about sales, discounts, about how to price your services or products or anything like that, you can follow me on Instagram. You can comment down below. I'll be happy to help you. So until the next video, I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.